Luke Nolan, Central Coating Company. I'm on the roof today in San Jose, just doing a final walkthrough of a project that the guys just completed. This roof is a homeowners association that's part of a mixed-use development called Santana Row. It's got retail, restaurants, office, and residential. We've got about a 44,000 square foot roof that really is not too terribly difficult, but the site made for a very difficult project. We had very little area to install our job site. Actually, we set up our equipment on the neighboring parking structure, which required a big crane lift to lift everything up there. The site with the retail and restaurants below, public safety was paramount. Anywhere where we had a low parapet, we had a temporary guardrail system installed to ensure that we weren't causing any public safety hazards for the people, enjoying themselves below. It's a great project. Client's happy. Guys did a great job. Everything went as planned. So good stuff. We're on to the next one.